Okay guys, welcome back to the next video on Webfire 3.0, and we're going to go through the keyword domain finder. So this will allow you to find available high-ranking domains related to a keyword of your choice. Okay, so all you need to do is simply type in a keyword, and they pull 50 similar high-ranking keywords, and then they go through the process of checking the major search engines, Google, Yahoo and Bing, for available domains. So it allows you to select the top level domains. So let's say we go .com, and it allows you to include dashes, for example, my-website as well. And in this example, they use weight loss UK. So why don't we use that example? So weight loss. Let's go weight loss Australia, since I'm from Australia. And let's see if it's able to find some domains. So I'm just going to pause it and see what results it comes back with. Oh, that was quite quick. I didn't even have to pause it. So there you go. So there you've got .coms, and as you can see, they've included weight-loss-Australia and some other variations with the dashes in there. And and as you move through, you can see the most effective weight-loss-pills.com. Wow, and that's available. Okay, and it also shows where the amount of searches that you do get as well for each domain, okay, name. So what's this? This is known in the SEO world as exact match domain. So it matches exactly the domain, the keyword that you're trying to rank for. Okay. Now I know that in my experience, keywords, exact match domains work very well in Bing. I've seen that they tend to rank very well and quite high in the search engines, in the Bing search engine, I should say. So if you have a look at this one here, this is a great one. So you've got weight-loss-medication.com. So weight loss medication, that's over 27,000 searches a month, and it's available. Okay, so if you're in the weight loss niche, go ahead and get that one. Okay, so and again, you can download the PDF, so you've got a record of it, and you can simply just go to maybe GoDaddy or Namecheap and buy those domains. Okay, and I think you could probably I thought it might have organized it in the in ascending or descending order in the amount of searches, but it doesn't. But not to worry, that's all good. There you go. I will move on to the next video.